Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Kafa Fatullah. In this video, I am gonna teach you how to do or how to make this portfolio website. So we have specialized services specialized in this section and the portfolio section, also skills and education, also this working message or messenger bar, and also a responsive page where you can resize the page with freedom and it will looks like this. Whenever you resize the portion or the ratio of the page, it will automatically resize, as you can see, and it will looks like this in the phone. That's it. Also this bar right here. So how to do this? First, you need to make a new folder. I'm gonna make it right here. Name it portfolio, and then open your Visual Studio Code, then open folder, and then select your folder, and here you can make a new file called index.html, also new folder called CSS, and inside the CSS make a style.css. Oh, sorry. Inside the CSS make a new file called style.css, and responsive CSS also, responsive.css, also new folder outside the CSS, sorry, JavaScript, called CS or JavaScript, and make another file called java.js or whatever you wish. So first, hit the exclamation button or Shift+1, and then you will make a template, and the title is gonna be this software engineer, like so. And then first thing first, we have to link the CSS folder in the HTML page. So hit type in link, and then rel style sheet href styles, no, CSS, style CSS, and make another one, link CSS, responsive CSS. So this is the name of your folder, and this is gonna be your name, the name of your style or your file. That's it. And then in the body section, we are going to make this navigation bar first. How to do it? So make a comment to mark it as your header, and then inside the inside the header, make it inside the body here, header, and then make a header tag here with the div in it. Make a class main container, and then another div with the class nav as navigation, and another div to make a logo, name it class logo, and to make the logo to capable to be clicked, make it as a href. You're just gonna use hashtag for nothing, and then the logo is gonna be, you can put image here, but in this video I'm just gonna put a word kf right here, like so, to make it simple. And then outside the div, still on the main container div, make a nav tag, nav element, and in the nav element make ul, and then li for the list, make the list here, and make a ref like this. If you want this list to be clicked, make a ref, make a href. So we're just gonna put these services, and then the text is gonna be services. You can copy and paste it here. We need 1 2 3 4 5 list, 1 2 3 4 5, and then name it each list portfolio, services, portfolio, skills, contact, resume. Skills, contact, and then for this resume we need a button, so make it as button. So we're gonna make just for letter, just for later, resume dot pdf, and then the target is gonna be blank. You could put your link of PDF here, but now for now I am gonna put a blank page. So this is gonna be we gonna input the button, so we put the button element between the li and a element. So the button is gonna be resume, and make a class here. The class is gonna be button, just btn, and then let's see the output. You can go live right here by using the extension of live server. You can search here on extension marketplace, install this, and then you can right click and open with live server. There you have it, four surfaces, and then the resume button. We still need to change this, change it to portfolio, and as well as the skills. Contact, and let's see, and then after this we're gonna make this wait a second, we're gonna make this 3-strip button called burger. So this button called burger with a nice looking transition here, we can make this. First we gonna put another div below the navigation or nav tag, make a div with the class burger, and then inside the div is gonna be div, another div with the class so we're gonna make 3 line, so make it line 1, then you can copy and paste it. Line 2, line 3, and there you go. And then after that we are going to make the hero. This is the hero left and hero right. We are going to make this. So how to do it? So the div is complete. Make another section, and this section is going to have the ID of hero, and make, of course, div with hero left class in it. Hero left. We're gonna make this section here first. Hero left, and then inside the hero left we need a text, I think h3, with the class pre title, and then this is gonna be my name. Here my name is, my name is, and then make another one with the class this, my name, my actual name, Kafa Fatullah. So type in their hero name, Kafa Fatullah. So we notice here it got two different color. This one is black and this one is turquoise. So how to do that? So input the span tag between the Fatullah, like so. And then we're gonna make the paragraph here by using by using p tag, and then I'm just gonna put a random words in it. So you could use lorem. I want it to be to have 40 words, so type in lorem 40 and then hit enter, and then you have it right here. So after that we are going to make hero left, I mean hero right, because we already have hero left, which is this one, this section right here, and we are going to make this section right here hero right by using div, and then also the class is gonna be hero right, and then we are going to input the image here. So you can input the image of your image yourself, or you can use this image. I got this image from this website called Andro, so you can browse anything here. So I am going to search for programming images. So yes, we have it here. Also, if you want the color to be changed, you can change it here. So it is turquoise. My theme is turquoise, so I am gonna use this color, and then click the image you want and download SVG for your projects. Download it and then put the folder in the project folder. Put the folder in your project folder. I'm gonna put it right here. Before that, make a new folder called images, and then rename your SVG image. I'm gonna name it hero, then hit save. Back to the coding. So put the image here, EMG and SRC as source. So the source is gonna be images slash hero SVG, and the alt, this is the alt name. You can type in whatever. I am gonna name it man, just man. Okay, just man. And then this is going to be our end of heading of header, so we can mark it as the end of the header here. So this is the opening header and this is the closing header. Also, I forgot, we have to move this closing div from navigation class. We need to move it right here. There you go. Hit save. Then let's check it out. This is the output. We have list here, services, portfolio, skills, contact, etc. And then my name is, and paragraph, and the picture, the image. And after that, next we are going to make this section right here, services specialized in blah blah blah. So this section have 1, 2, 3 grid in it. So how to do it? So make a new section, make a tag, comment services, and then make a new section with ID section, services, and then div with the class services main container. And then after that, make a header or h3 header with the class pre-title this is going to be surfaces, and also this specialized in text, we need h1 with the class section title surfaces title, and then type in your text, specialized in, and then you have it. And this closing div is not supposed to be here, so we are going to make it right there, down there first, and make another div. So this closing div is going to be this main container div, so we need it to be at the bottom, at the very bottom of the surfaces section. So we are going to make this grid 1 2 3 grids. So make a new div with the class grid 3, and another div with the class surface, class surface, only surface, not surfaces, because both were different. And then div with the class icon, surface icon, and we are going to input this icon here in this HTML page. So you can get this icon from this website called Monster Icon, I think. Oh no, Icon Monster. This page right here. And then we need a crown and what is it, a something icon, and then a globe icon. You could search here crown, and I'm just gonna use this icon right here, .png, yes. And then you're gonna click the embed button, this as SVG, and then embed button, and then copy this code to your HTML. Copy it and then paste it right here inside the div class surface icon. And then we are going to make this text. So type in here outside the div outside the surfaces service icon div here, type in h4, I think h4 UI UX design, and then the paragraph would be another random words. I'm gonna make lorem 20, so it will look like this. And then make another copy of this column of that grid. So we need 1 2 3 grid, so make 3 copies. Make 3 copies of this service div. 1 2, and then here 3, the third one, and the text is going to be sorry, this is the first one, this is correct, and the second one is going to be application development. And then the third one will be web development. There you go. And we just need to change the icon here. Let's see the output. So we have 1 2 3 already grid, 3 grids here: UI UX, application development, and web development, but it is still on the same icon, so we want to change it. Search for what is it, connection, just connection, or no, development, development icon is I'm gonna use maybe this icon. Copy the embed to your HTML. So it starts from here. Oops, sorry. Here. Let's see. It is already changed. And then we need the third one, the web development icon. So we need globe. I'm gonna use maybe this icon. Embed, copy, like so, and then hit save. Let's see, the icons is already changed. So the next step is to type the end of this section So this is the end of the section. The services section, so make a comment and of service like so, and then we are going to have portfolio section, which is include my works, featured portfolios, texts, and then images, and this border here, and paragraph. So what we're gonna do next is to make the portfolio, this featured portfolios. So what we need to do is make a comment as usual, portfolios, and then end of portfolios, and inside this portfolios we gonna need more section with ID portfolios with S, portfolios, and inside of this section we need div with the class portfolio main container, and inside of this portfolio main container we need h3, we need this with the class pre-title and input here my works. There you go. And another one, h1, with the class section title featured sorry, portfolio. There you go. Now we have this. Now we have this section right here, my works featured portfolio. We gonna style the style CSS later at the end, so we just need to focus on this HTML first. So we are going to input the image of the portfolio. So how to do that? We need another div here below the section, section title, below the section title, and we need class, we're gonna choose 3 grids, so make it grid 3 for the class, and then later we're gonna change it, we're gonna set the grids, and here make a comment, name it portfolio 1, make a class, make a div, and then the div class is going to be portfolio, and then inside of portfolio class there's gonna be another div, and then class portfolio cover. So we are going to input this image. How to do that? So just input your image, your portfolio image, into your images folder. Okay, so I already have it right here. Inside the images there is portfolios folder, and I'm gonna type it. We're gonna type it here, emg search image portfolios portfolio 1, and the alt name is going to be portfolio 1 without dash, portfolio 1, just like that. And then we're gonna make portfolio info. Here we are going to make a Agency website, as well as the button, also the React and Tailwind, and also the paragraph. So how to do that? After you input the portfolio cover class, so you need another div with the class. We're gonna name it portfolio dash info. It's like that, and then another div inside of portfolio info, and the class is going to be portfolio title. There you go. Inside the portfolio title we have h4. Here we're gonna input this text: agency website, agency website. But before that we need a class. No, I'm sorry, I think we don't need the class for this text. Let's see how it works. The photo is already here, but it is too big. We're gonna change it later. We're gonna customize it later. So we need we're gonna make this button. So we need a href, fill it with the blank or hashtag, and inside this href we need class, and name it portfolio link. And then we need a picture. We need a link picture. So we are going to use in the last project we used this, but I want it to be different. So let's see, you could choose whatever you want. I'm gonna choose this, embed, copy, then paste it right here, and then let's see. There you go, you have it. And then we need more div inside of this portfolio title, inside of this portfolio info, I mean. So type in div class portfolio tags, and then inside of this portfolio tags div we need another div and name it React, and then another div and Tailwind, like so. And then we are going to need the paragraph. Here we need this paragraph, so type in p lorem, it's like that. And then let's see our website. There you go, you have React, Tailwind, and the paragraph, as well as the button. And then we need to copy this portfolio, start from this number 1, start from this tag until this closing div right here, copy it, and then you're gonna make the second portfolio. Sorry, paste it right here and name it portfolio 2, and portfolio 2 png, the alt is portfolio 2, as well as the I think that's it. Yeah, that's all what we need to change. Now copy and paste it again, or just paste it because we already copied. Paste here, name it portfolio 3, JPEG. So this one is JPEG, not PNG. Portfolio 3, and then blah blah blah. Okay, that sounds right. And now let's check it. Now we have 1, 2, 3 portfolio. Okay, now what we need to do is to make another section. So we've done this portfolios, and then the next section is going to be learning path, skills, and education. So we're gonna make this. How we do that? Make a new section, a new command first, skills and education. There you go. And then new section with the ID skills, and then div. We need a class inside of the opening tag div class, and then skills main container as usual. And then inside of the skills main container we need h3, and this is gonna be this text right here, pre-title text and the title text. h3 is going to be class pre-title, and then learning path. There you go. h1 is going to have class with section title. Skills here, skills and education, and education. Let's see. Skills and education. Wait, skills and education. Okay, and then we need more, as usual, more div with the class skills dash grid, and below that we need div class skill or skills left, and then another div with the class education, and then the last div is going to be class line. There you go. And then below this closing div we need more div with class education info, and inside of education info, so we are going to input this. Inside of education info there is h4 with the class education title, and University of Indonesia, and paragraph master degree software software engineer, engineering, I think. And then h4 with the class education years. It's going to be 2019 until 2023. And then we could copy and paste it. We could copy this education info and we need to copy this education line, education and line, sorry. I'm gonna make it like this first, sorry. There you go, education line, copy it, and then let's see the input. We have copy of this University of Indonesia at the bottom. So another copy, paste. How much do we need? 1 2 3. Oh, okay, already 3, so we don't need the last one. We have 1 2 3 copies. So what we are going to do next is okay, so we need this paragraph here as well as these lists here. So what we are going to do is make a so this section is done. This section is done, and we need another div with class skills right, sorry, there you go. And then paragraph lorem, I'm gonna input lorem 50, and then after that we need another div with the class skills dash list, and this is gonna be the list ul Lee React JS React.js, Node.js. So I'm just gonna copy and paste it. There you go. Let's see the output. So we already have 5 lists. We need another CSS, etc. Copy and paste it. There we have it, to all and 2 lists. This is the first one, this is the second one. So the last but not least, we need this message box and also this contact section. So the last thing is going to be this. So we're gonna make this first. So how to do that? Actually this is the end of the skill and education. This is the start, so this is the end. So we're gonna make it here, end of skills and education, just edu, it's fine. And then contact, create a new section and ID contact with div class contact left. Also another div class, oops, sorry, I should have made this container first. So contact main container, and the second one is contact left. And let's see, we didn't input anything yet, so we have this three boxes. So what we need to do is to use form tag, form, and then action, make it hashtag first, and then the class is going to be contact form, like so, and the div, and then inside of the div type in input, type text, and then placeholder name, and the name is name. Another div with we're just gonna copy and paste it, copy here, paste here, another one, copy and paste. The second one is going to be email, and the placeholder is also email, and the name is email. as well as the third one. This is the message box. So we're gonna type in message, and the placeholder is going to be message. And let's see, we need this message box is bigger than email and name box. So what we need to do, let's make an ID first. ID message and calls 30 with rows 10. There you go. Wait, oh no, I'm so sorry. This is supposed to be text area. Yes, text area with the name of message, and the ID is message. So yes, it is 10. The calls is 10, rows 10 is good, and the message we input the placeholder message. So there it is, our message box. And then what we need to do now is adding this send message button. So we need where is it, form. Okay, still inside of the form, below the div. So we're gonna input here, here, make a div, and then I think we don't need class in this div, so just type button, and then the class is going to be on the button. ptn submit, and then the text is send message. There you go. Let's see, there we have send message button. Okay, all done. And then okay, this section right here, address, phone, and email. We need to make another div here, div with the class contact, right, and then div with the class contact item. Also another div with the class contact dash items, item without s, item, just item, icon, and we're gonna input this icon 123, the what is it, the location icon. So search for location. Okay, I'm gonna use which one? Okay, I'm just gonna use the same icon, or this icon is better. Okay, embed, copy here, save it, and then let's see. Now we have the icon. And then after that we need this header and this paragraph. So make it right after this div. So div class contact item detail. The header is going to be address, double D, okay. And then the paragraph is whatever. I'm just gonna type a random address, I think. Mamma mia, London. Just like that. Hit save. Okay, and then let's see, we got it here. So what we need to do is just, oh sorry, okay, what we need to do is just copy the elements from, okay, from this element right here to this, paste it here, and then we need, so we need 1 2 3, make it another, make another one like so. So let's see, okay, we already have 3 same address, we just need to change the paragraph and the header. So this one is going to be, what is it, phone and email. Okay, phone, and this is your phone number, blah blah blah. Okay, and this is going to be, what was it, okay, email, and your email at mail.com, anything, or you can put your email, your real email here, and then we just need to change the icon. Okay, so search for the icon, we need phone. this one, and I'm going to use I'm just gonna use this embed copy back to your HTML file, and then replace this one, and mail icon, we need mail icon, so I think I'm gonna use this embed copy back to your HTML, replace this, hit save, and then let's see. Okay, we have a location icon here, and then phone icon and email icon. It is done, and then the next step is, as usual, you're gonna need to input the comment type here, and contact, just like that. And then the last one, so we're gonna make this the last footer. Okay, footer, and footer. Okay, so make a footer tag. We use footer element, and then as usual div with class footer. No, I think footer icons, because we gonna input the icon, and then a href hashtag, and then we're gonna input the icon here. Let's search for the Instagram icon. Instagram. Okay, we have this. I'm gonna use this icon, copy, and then paste it on your project here. Let's see the output. Okay, now we have Instagram account, I mean Instagram icon. Now we just need to copy the rest of it, copy and paste it, copy here, and then make another one here, and then make another one. So yes, it is Instagram, LinkedIn, and Twitter, and your GitHub. So there is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, footer icons. I think we don't need this. So let me go back. We just need to copy this, like so, and then we just need to, let's see, oops, that is too much, delete one. Okay, 4, we have 4. So let me see, there is something not right. A. Okay, this one, we don't need this, and also this closing div is going to be right here. Div class footer icons, or exactly, actually no. Okay, that's it. So we need to find LinkedIn icon, and then Twitter, and then GitHub. First link to LinkedIn. Okay, we have I'm gonna use this instead. Embed, copy, here, replace it, and then Twitter. I'm gonna use this icon. Embed, copy, and then replace this. And the last one, okay, it changed. Okay, so the last one is GitHub logo. So I'm gonna use this. Embed, copy, and paste it here. There you go. Okay, we've already done the basic, or the first step. So we need to style the page now. Okay, let me check first. Services, this is, we already input this. And oh, one last thing, this is the copyright logo. So still in the footer page, in the footer element, we need here, after or below the div, closing tag, type here P for paragraph, and then I think the code is this one. Oh, no, hashtag and 169. Made by Kaffa Fathullah. It's like that. Let's see the output. Let's change it. I think I'm wrong. Yes, this is the right text. There you go. You got this copyright icon, small copyright icon right here. Okay, that's it. And now we are going to style CSS. Okay, so first of all, we have this root section to make you to make you easy to style. So from here, first of all, we're gonna change the font to this font. So what I'm using is, you can Google it. from Google Fonts, and then browse for what is it, Poppins. So the font I'm using in this website is this font called Poppins. You can copy it, or first of all, pick the necessary font, the font that you want. So I already picked this font by clicking this select button. Okay, that's it. And then you're gonna use this import, add import, and then click paste, click copy, I'm sorry. So if you can't see this page, this bar right here, you can click this view selected families, and then click this import and copy the style, the import URL, and then place it inside of your style CSS. But you're gonna delete this style tag. That's it. And then I already made a set variables to make it easier to use, to understand, and to remember. So I'm gonna paste it here. So this is a set variables that I have made before. So you can't remember the exact code or the exact numbers of this. Many of you must be forgot. So to make you easier to remember, just type in dash dash primary text color or whatever to make you remember, all of these colors. So that's it. And then we gonna call it, we going to call it, we going to call these variables later when we pick a color. So we need to choose all the elements first by using this star button. So this element, this section, this star is for used for pick, to choose all the elements. So I want it to have margin 0, and then padding 0, box sizing scroll behavior. Wait, I'm so sorry here. So we need to put this first, I forgot. Box sizing to be border box, and then scroll behavior to smooth, and then font family to Poppins. with the capital P. Hit save, and then let's see. Here we have the font of this website changed, and then this is the preparation step. So there is more preparation step before we head into the styling elements. So what we need to be prepare is body style to no, not body, just make it 1, and then h2, h3, h4, h6, sorry, 5, h6, and then also strong, or this is the bold text. Set the color to far, this is it, far, and then the color you want. So I want the color to have this color, this header 1, header 2, etc. until strong, to have this primary text color. So you're gonna type in far primary text color. There you go, and then hit save. So it is already changed, but we cannot see it because this is not kinda, it is just a slight difference, because it is actually a dark gray. You can see it is not black. Let's just continue. We're gonna change the color of the paragraph, but first, no, set the font first, the font size to somewhere about 1 rem. So rem is equivalent to 16 pixels. So 1 rem is 16 pixels, and then 2 rem, you can multiply. 2 rem means 32, etc. And then gonna move it here to make it easier to code. Like this. And then line height to be 1.9 rem. And then we're gonna recolor the paragraph. Oh, not just paragraph, so also let's see, we want this color, and then this and this icon also all have the same color. So we're gonna type in span as we typed before in the name section right here, the span tag, also label, and then input and text area, also the list. So all of this is gonna have secondary text color. So this, we're gonna recolor this that text to far secondary text color. It's a gray color. That's it. And then pspan label input text area and list. Wait a minute. So we want this to be this color, to have this turquoise color. So before that, let's just keep it like that for a minute. We cannot change it later. We are going to remove this underlined text first. So this underlined text is not necessary, so we're gonna remove it by using a text decoration set to none. Save it, then it is gone. And that the preparation we need. So we're gonna name it end of preparation. Okay, now we're gonna style the container, this navigation, by using CSS. So what we need is set the class main container this one right here, the header on the div class main container. Set the width 200 pixels, and then the margin 0 and auto. And then let's see the difference. Now we have it. We have the margin auto and width. The width is 1200. So then we type in here media screen and max width max width also 1200 pixels. Main container with width 90%. Hit save, and then we're gonna style the button, this resume button. So add the comment button for button and class btn. We want it to have padding top and bottom for about 1 rem and 1.5 rem left and right. Let's see, it's getting bigger. And the background color set to white, just white, and the border to 1.5 pixels solid with color border color here. So this is color right here, so it is slightly white. Hit save, and then you can see the the rectangle here, but there is a border. The border color is slightly gray. I think this is nice. And then the cursor, to make it different, to make it to tell you this is a button, so make the cursor as pointer, and let's see, hit save, and then you have it to set the pointer to the cursor. And then I want it to have a transition, 0.2 seconds, is in out. Let's see, and then dot button hover. So we're gonna make the color of the shadow of the button, sorry. So box shadow set to RGBA. So this is going to be all 0 0 0 0 0, like so. And then delete this. So we have the shadow looks here by changing this last 0 to 0.6, I think. Hit save. Sorry, before that, after this box shadow, we need 0 pixel and then 3 pixel and 5 pixels. This is really can't really tell the difference, but there is for a detail, there is shadow for the detail. So there is something wrong with this code. Let me figure out. So this is the problem. So we don't need this. Yes, hit save, and then you have it. So the shadow is too. Let me wait a second. Just like that. 0.1. Okay, that looks better. And then head to the titles. Title section. Where is it? The title, this title section. Where is it? Where is it? Sorry. Just type in the class. Text, transform, uppercase, and then letter, spacing 0.5 rem, and set the color to far secondary text color. Yep. Wait a second. So, okay, there's something wrong. For this one, we gonna input pre-title. The class is pre-title. There you have it. So it is not a section title, instead pre-title. And then the position is going to be relative. The padding, I think padding left, just left, to make it 40 pixels. Yes. And then width, fit content, also font weight to be 400. There you go. And font size, we're gonna make it smaller, 0.9 rem. That's good. And then head into section title. So this section title only need margin 1 rem and 0 right and left, and 4 rem bottom, and one more just font size to be 2 rem. There you have it, section title. And then pre-title before, we want to to add this small line here. You can see it right here, this small line. We want to add this here. So sorry, pre-title, before, and content set to keep it blank, and then width about 30 pixels, and height is 1 pixel to make it line, and set the background to variable, this one, line color, and the position is absolute, and the display is going to be block, and then left to 0, and top 50%. Save. Okay, we can see this. If we zoom in, we can see the line, a small detail. And then we are going to the layout, make a comment, layouts, so this layout's going to be this grid, and the grid 3 class, the surfaces, these surfaces. So we use grid 3 with the display grid and then grid template columns, repeat, auto fit. We want it to be automatically fit. Min max, (250 pixels and 1 fraction). So this is going to be adapt to the screen resolution you have. So if we move here, it will come down here. If we have a large display, so it will be displayed 3 line up, right, like here, like this. So this one, okay, there you go. And then let's see. Okay, it works. So we want the gap, wait, sorry, I closed it accidentally. So we want it to have more gap between the surfaces. So we add the gap here for about 3 RAM, and that's about it. Hit save, then there you go, we have it here. And we want to stylize this navigation, so nav display is going to be flex, and then justify content, space between, and padding top bottom to RAM and right and left to be 0. Hit save. Oops, sorry. There you go. And nav all list style none, and then type in once more display flex. Let's see, there you go, we have it lined each other, but we need a gap between each list, so we type in here gap 3 RAM, I think. Save, there you go. And then we're gonna put this here later. For now, remain this line right here. We gonna focus on logo for now. This logo by using the class logo. Display flex, and then align items center, and font weight to be 700, and font size to be 2 RAM. There you go. And then what else? Now we're gonna change this color, so we're gonna type in logo, no, class logo A. I'm gonna change this color first. Color, set variable to primary text color. There you go. Now it is black. And then set the navigation menu. We gonna change the nav as well as the ul and li and the a color to have the same color. var primary text color. There you go, it is all black now. And then for now we're gonna style the burger. Wait a second, this burger right here, we're gonna make this. So make the burger section by tapping burger, just burger, and then set the class burger div width to have 25px, and then height 2 pixels, and set the background color to just black 000. Let's see. So we have already one line, and then margin 7 px, and we want it to have the transition, so add transition all 0.3 seconds, and the z index for horizontal set to 99. There you go, we have it here. And then the burger only class, set the display to none, and z index 99. The position is fixed because we want it to have the fixed position, and top 33 pixels, margin right to have 35 pixels. Hit save. Let's see. So when we enlarge the website, we won't see the burger. Also, this changed the navigation bar to it moves to the right. So when we make it smaller, it still won't come out. How so? Yeah, cause we set the display to none, but if we comment this, it will come up, it will pop out. Set the display to none first, and then let's get into hero section right away. And use the ID of hero. Where is it? Here, ID hero. So use hashtag hero. Set the height to 720px, and the display to grid, and grid template columns, one fraction, one fraction. Also align items to center. There you go. We have it, the left side here and the right side here. And then for the hero class name, here set the font size to 3 rem and font weight to 700. Also margin top and bottom to just top to 0.5 rem, 0.5 rem without the space, 0.5 rem, and then 0 for right and left margin, and 1 rem for bottom margin. There you go. We have it right here. And for the hero span color, we're gonna change it. We're gonna change this Fathullah text to turquoise color. So type in hero span. No. Hero name and space span, because we have it inside of our hero name. The span is inside hero name. So type in like this: hero name span color far. Let's see the color. I kind of forgot. So it is primary icon color. Here, hit save, and there you go. And now we're gonna make the image smaller, because it is kind of too big. So use the class hero right, EMG, and then set the width to about 90%. Hit save, and then okay, that's good. Also hero right, we want it to have the display flex, and then justify content center to make it centered. There you go. It already looks nicer than before. Okay, so we missing this part. We want it to be centered like this, to be lined with the logo as well as the resume. So there is a code here to make it happen. So nav all lay, set the display to flex, and line items center. Hit save, and then it is centered now. So after this, we are going to the surfaces section to make it look like this. Okay, so add the command surfaces, and use the ID surfaces background color. We want to change the background to the variable secondary background color right here, and then the padding is going to have var section padding here, so it is 6 rem and 0 right and left. That's all. And then for the pre-title surface, pre-title, let's check it first. So it has the background now, and then we're gonna make the pre-title surfaces like right here, to have margin 0 and auto. So it is centered now, and now we're gonna change the surface title. We're gonna change the title of this, specialized in. So section wait, I'm sorry, surfaces. Is it surface or surfaces? I forgot. So where is it? Surfaces. So it is surfaces. Surfaces title. Okay, surfaces title. And text line to center. Okay, it is centered now. Now for the surface class, no, it's surface, only surface, not surfaces. Yes, surface, only surface without an addition s. And then type here padding 3 rem top and bottom, and then 2 rem left and right, and then text align center. Okay, it's looking good now. And background to variable primary background color, this one. Okay, it has a background now. And then we're gonna make this border not looking so sharp, so type here border radius and var here item border radius. Okay, so it is unsharp now. And then we are going to the surface, this text to have uh, let's just type in first h4, no, surface h4 to have margin top and bottom 1.5 rem and 0 left and right, and then font weight to 500, and then the font size to be 1.05 rem. Hit save, and then we have it like this right now. And for the icon, we want to add the background like this, so use the class surfaces surface icon, and then set the background to var third background color. Okay, and then width to fit content. Okay, good. Margin top and bottom 0 and right and left auto. Also padding 1 rem and 1.3 rem, and set the border radius to 0.5 rem. Hit save, and then we have it. Alright, now for the surfaces icon color, so this icon color, surface icon, and then SVG, because we're gonna edit the color. We're gonna pick a color from variable primary icon color right here. There you go. And then we need the gap between surfaces and space and was it the title and the box. Okay, like this. Oops, sorry. So we are going to add one more of this surface icon class, so we're just gonna copy and paste it, and I'm gonna figure it out later. So we're gonna focus now for the portfolio section. So Okay, so for the portfolio section, we're gonna add the ID here, portfolios, padding, far, item border radius. And then for the portfolio class, type in border, radius. Set the far to item border radius, and then overflow hidden, and the border is going to have 1px solid far with the border color. There you go. And then for the portfolio cover, hey, set it to what, 220, I mean 250 pixels, and then portfolio EMG. So we're gonna change this images to be with 100%, and hey to be also 100%, and object fit to cover. See, so it gonna fit to the cover. So and then we're gonna make the class for portfolio info. Set the padding to 2 rem top and bottom, and 1.5 rem right and left. And then portfolio title, set the display to flex, and then justify content space between. Let's see the output. Okay, looking good. And then line items center. Also we need a gap for about 1 rem. Okay, looking good. And then we're gonna change the portfolio header, change the font weight to 500, and then font size to 1.05 rem. Okay, good. And then portfolio title hover. So we're gonna change this to when we hover it, the color will be changed. So portfolio title SVG, um no, portfolio title A, and then SVG hover. Make the fill to variable primary icon color. Okay, that's it. And we're gonna add the transition by using portfolio title again, portfolio title class, and then for now a svg, and set the transition to 0.2 seconds, is in out. Okay, there is a slight transition there. And then for the portfolio text, we're gonna change the display to flex, and then the gap between is 1 rem, also margin 1 rem, top and bottom, and 0 right left. So it'll change this React and Tailwind text. And then for the portfolio div, portfolio text div, we're gonna change the font size to 0.9 rem, and then the border to 1 pixel solid with the color border color. There you go. And then padding 0.4 rem, and 1 rem. And the color is going to be var secondary text color. Right here, there we have it, already grayish color. And what we're gonna do next is going to the skills and education section. Type the ID skills, and then set the padding to variable section padding, and the background color set to variable secondary background color. Okay, and let's see the output. There you have it. And then for the skills grid, here type in skills grid, and the display is going to be grid grid, and then grid template columns to make it responsive. We use this repeat auto fit comma min max with a maximum 350 pixels, and the minimum is 1 fraction. Okay, and then we need the gap between is 3 rem. There is an error here, so we need this. Okay, we have it here. I think there is some kinda issue here, but we're gonna skip it and focus just on the style CSS first. So for the education page, education class, we are going to set the display to flex, and then the gap is 1 rem, and then the education line is set to padding 0.7 rem. And the education line div we're gonna need width 2 pixels and height for about 100%, like so, and the background is going to be border color. Okay, and the position is relative. Okay, so we are making this line this white line, you might probably can't see it, but there is a line here. Or should we change the border color instead? I think border color to make it more black, like so, and then you gonna say it later. Let's focus on this coding things first. So we missed the dot here. Okay, save. Alright, So we're gonna change the paragraph of the education section by typing education info p. Set the margin to 0.6 rem, 0.1 sorry 0.6 rem top, and then 0 right and left, and 1.4 rem bottom. And then for the education years, this education years, set it to have margin margin bottom, for about 3 rem, like so. Okay, and then for the dot on the line, so we're gonna make the dot on the line here, make a comment, dot on the line by typing here education line div before content, just keep it blank, and then width to 15 pixels and height to be 15 pixels as well, and the background set to variable border color, and the border radius is going to be 50%, because we want it to be rounded, a circle, and position to absolute, and then left minus 6px. We can't really see it here because there is an error right here somewhere, so we gotta figure it out later in this HTML page. As I said, we're gonna focus on the style CSS first, and then after that type in right side of skills, this section right here. Okay, right side of skills list, with the display grid, and then grid template columns to have one fraction top and bottom, also one fraction left and right. And then margin top to be 1.5 rem. Right, and then skills right. Okay, sorry, so the one that we just did before is this skills list right here, React.js until AngularJS. So the right the skills right is going to be this paragraph right here. Skill what is it? Right, skilled, no, we need s skills right, no, skills right all line height about 2 rem, and then padding 0 and 1 rem. Hit save. Okay, we can see the dot already here. And then we're gonna change the contact sections. By typing contact with the ID class, I mean with the ID, not class. Padding with the variable section padding. Okay, and then the class contact with the display flags. Oh no, I'm sorry, with the display grid and create template columns to be same as we did before. Repeat auto fit comma min max 350 pixels and 1 fraction. Okay, that's it. And then we need a gap for about 3 rem. There you go. It already changed, but there is some technical issue there in the index HTML project here, in this index HTML page. And then we're gonna focus in style CSS first. So what we're gonna change after is the contact form. Div margin bottom to be 1.4 rem. Oops, sorry. And then contact form input and contact form text area with width 100% and padding 0.75 rem and 1.3 rem, and then the background is going to be far secondary background color, as well as the border. We changed the color of the border also. 1 pixel solid with the variable border color, and the border radius also set to 3 pixels. Okay, resize, set it to none, so it will be fixed here. If we don't use this resize, it can be resized here and it will change the layout, so we need this resized to none. Okay, oops. And then after that, we're gonna input the color of this section here by using contact form input placeholder input placeholder, also the contact form text area placeholder, set the color to, we want it to be grayish black, so I think just gray. Hit save. So this placeholder color is set to gray color, and then the contact form input set to focus, also the contact form text area to focus, and the outline, because we want to make the outline disappear, we type in none, and the border is going to be 1 pixel solid, with the color 70 70 70, the gray color. There you go, we have the gray color in it. And we're gonna change this button style by typing btn submit width to 100% and padding 0.075 RAM and 1.3 RAM. And the background color set to far primary background color. Wait, no, primary icon color right here. And then the color of the text is going to be white, so it is FFF. And the border set to none, and border radius, we're gonna make it unsharp, so it is 3px. Sorry, we missed the radius. Okay, 3px or 3 pixels. And then the cursor here, cursor pointer, and the transition, to make it nicer to look at, we are adding the transition for 2 seconds, is in out. Okay, let's check it. There you go. So it is almost done. So after that, we're gonna change the hover of the button. Submit hover, set the background color to variable primary icon color hover, this one. So as you can see, when we hover it, it is changed, the color is changed. And then that's it for the the context section. And we head into the contact section right side, so this right side of the contact section. Okay, so we should type in contact item So we're gonna set the display to flex, and then the gap is going to be 1.5 rem. Sorry, 1.5 rem, and then margin bottom set to 2.5 rem. Let's check it. Okay, good. And then for the contact item icons, set it to, we want the background to be changed, so type here background with the variable third background color, and the width is going to be 53 pixels, and the height is going to be 53 pixels as well. There you go, we have the background. Set the border radius to 9 pixels, and then the display is going to be flex, and align items center, and then also justify content center. There you go. And for the contact item icon SVG, we're gonna change the icon color. We use this variable primary icon color. Okay, it is changed already. So after that, we're gonna change the contact detail text. Contact item detail H4 to have margins bottom for about 0.6 rem. Okay, good. Now we are going to the copyright or footer section, the last part. So type here footer, and then footer with the padding 4 rem 0, background variable second background color, secondary background color, and text line to be centered. Hit save, and then we have it centered. And then we need to make the margin type here margin margin bottom for about 1 rem, and then the footer icons A to have margin 0 and 0.5 rem. Okay, and then for the footer color, footer icons, wait a second, this is supposed to be dash, not dot. Footer icons svg fill let's make it probably black, or no, grayish, like this. And for the hover, footer icons A hover svg, we want it to be just black when we hover it. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's all. We have the gap between the icons, also the copyright icons here, and the years and meant by text here, also the background color. And this is the only problem we didn't solve yet, is this. So I'm gonna figure out here. So there is something wrong with this code in the skills and education section. So here I did put the div closing tag and opening tag wrong, but I'm not sure which one. Let me figure out. Let me look. Alright, so I just fixed the learning path, skills and education section. So this is the right way to solve it. So I did miss the div with the blank div here. I did not write this before, so it was like this before, and then there is some missing div closing tags. So here is the right div. Okay, like this. And then we are done, but not 100% done. We are going to to fix this to be like this. So this is another problem. There is a problem, another problem or bug in this code, in this contact section. I'm going to solve it. Okay, I solved it. So it is again some problem with the div closing and opening text. So I did input the div in the wrong place, and that makes the section broken. Okay, so oh yes, one other thing we need to do is to do the JavaScript script. So it is called toggle and responsive navigation. So we are going to make the navigation to be responsive by using the const nav slide keep it blank, and then const burger document dot query selector dot burger. Also const for the nav list document query selector nav. And then for the burger again add event listener click this one is for toggling nav list and burger class. So it's going to be nav list with s, nav lists. Okay, so I missed the s here. Nav lists class list dot toggle nav active. Okay, and then burger class list dot toggle toggle burger. Okay, so we need to link it to the JavaScript script here. Link rel href cs java gs. Oops, no, I think to input the JavaScript source is by using the src. Let me put it under the last body. So the script src is going to be gs java gs. Okay, so for the responsive css here, it is still blank. We're gonna check it first. We have it like this. Okay, that's good, but for the responsive it is not yet responsive. So the icon, the image is still not good like this, not looking good, so it won't go up above the text when we inspect the element here. And then the paragraph is still this size, the font is still be the same size even we decrease the resolution. So this what responsive css does. So we are going to input add media screen and max width I mean 1000 pixels. And the paragraph here is going to have font size 0.9 rem, and the line height is 1.8, and then for the grid 3 we gonna need gap 1 rem, and skills right ul and list font size 0.9 rem. Alright, let's see. Okay, it already changed. So when the resolution is below 1000, the font will be decreased, the font size will be decreased. Let's get back. Max width 1000, and then oops, media screen, just copy it and paste it. Max width is 845 pixels, and this is the burger. Dot burger display block and the cursor pointer. And then toggle burger line 1, transform rotate minus 45 degree, and then translate minus 5 pixels, 7 pixels. Okay, and then another toggle burger dot line 2. We gonna make this disappear, so make the opacity to 0, and then we're just gonna copy and paste it here. Toggle burger line 3, rotate 45 degree and minus 5, also minus 7 pixels. We missed the closing tag, so that's for the burger section. So we can see the burger button here. So now for the navigation section, type in nav, set the position to fixed, and then so we are gonna make this section. So position is fixed, and width is going to be 50%, and right is 0, also top to 0, height to be 100 feet H, and flex direction to column, and the background is going to be far primary, sorry, dash dash primary. Let me copy it and then paste it instead. Primary background color, here like so. And for the border, border left, we're gonna need 1 pixel solid with far border color. Oh, I forgot the dash, so dash dash border color, and then Z index is gonna be 9. Transform, then translate X 100%, like so. And then the transition is gonna be 0.2 seconds, is in out. Let's see. Refreshed the page. Let's just focus now on the responsive CSS first. Gonna change the navigation and all to have height 100 VH, and then align items center and flex direction to column. Also justify content center. And now for the navigation active, nav active, height to 100 VH, and align items center. Also flex direction column, and then justify content center. Wait a second, no, I was wrong. So nav active is just transform and translate X to 0. It's like so. And this is the end of the navigation. And then type in here root dash dash section padding 4 RAM and 0. After that, this is the title. Section title is going to have font size 1.6 RAM and margin 0.6 RAM, top and 0 right and left, and 2.5 RAM bottom. And then the pre-title font size will be 0.8 RAM, and then I think that's it for the title section. Get to the hero section. So hero, the ID is hero. Grid template column is 1 fraction, and then the height is gonna be fit content, and then hero right, dot hero right order -1, and for the hero right picture, not SFX, we have it IMG, not SVG. IMG with 70%, and then hero left going to have text line center and padding bottom for 5 RAM. Okay, and then for the hero left dot pre title is going to have margin 0 and margin 0 and auto. Okay, so for the hero name, going to have font size 2.3 RAM and the margin bottom 0.5 RAM. Alright, so for the skills section now, it's going to have skills, grid, with the gap for about 1 RAM, and then the footer section is going to have padding 2 RAM and 0. Alright, so we're gonna make the mobile size, make it for the mobile size, add media screen and max width to 640 pixels. This section is gonna be title, so it has so it has section title with the font size 1.3 RAM, and the pre-title font size is 0.7 RAM. Alright, let's check it. So we have it right here. It is done. So this is the problem. Okay, we fixed it. Alright, now we have a designed website portfolio, and we're gonna make this message bar to be work. So we're gonna, for example, just my name and at gmail.com, and the message is or whatever. So if we send this message, it will send to the email, to your email. So from this, wait a second. So this contact form action formspree.io method post. So you must input this action and method post, but before that you need to have a form spree. So you gotta make an account for this Formspree, and then make a form name to, for example, here I input the name of the form is portfolio. Send emails to Muhammad Kafa. This is my email. And also, if you want another email, to input another email, just click here. So, and then you gotta create the form, and then copy this form, copy it, and paste it right here, and then save it. And let's check again. Whenever you send a message, it will go to your email. So for example, the name is Henry, and his email is henry@waka.com, and the message is hello Kafa. Send the message, and thanks, the form was submitted successfully. I'm gonna see my email. So here is my email. I just got a new notifications from Formspree. So here is the message from henry@waka.com. Someone just submitted a form on, this is the IP address. So you can know your texter or sender and his email, also the message, through your portfolio website. Okay, and then go back, and that's about it. I think this video already took so long, so I'm just gonna end this video here, and thank you so much for watching, and see you next time. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.